So we're going to start with our trunk. Make it as fat as you want. Kind of want to make it a little thinner at the top and make it a little wider down at the bottom. And then just color it in. What works best is go side to side so you're not wasting any ink. Just keep doing lines all the way down. Make sure you got every area. Now moving on to our leaves. What works best for this is do some lines, kind of the foundation of the leaf, and work them in different angles, have them bending, have them going different ways. Give the tree some flow. Now start to build off those lines. Continue making your leaf a little fatter. And then each edge of your leaf, you're going to want to flick the tip of your pen. So you want to flick it out sharply and just continue doing that same design all the way down the leaf. When working from the center of the leaf, you want to start wide, and then as you get to the end of the leaf, you want to thin it out. So you go from wide and then come into a skinny line at the very tip of your leaf. Now, both sides, what you want to do is you want to flick that pen to get that frayed look of the leaf. Just continue doing that on every leaf of your palm tree. They don't all have to be perfect, and you can add as many leaves as you want to. And then I'm kind of curling the tips of my leaves. And there we have a palm tree silhouette on our sunset background. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, hit that like and subscribe.